In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Moto One 5G Ace so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today I'm going to walk you through how to unlock your Motorola One 5G Ace so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing we'll need to do is go to the phone app, tap on the dialer, and we're going to type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. You will need to write down the number at the top here, and we'll need that later on in the process. Next, we're going to go to the Google Chrome app, and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First will be the manufacturer, which is Motorola, and then the model, go all the way down to One Ace, or excuse me, One 5G. Tap unlock now. Next, you will answer a few more questions about where you purchased the phone. So the country, which for us is the US, and the carrier is going to be Metro PCS. Tap next. And on the last page, it'll ask you to enter the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video right here. Fill out your contact information, delivery email, and phone number. Here's where you'll see the cost. And to submit your order, you're going to tap order now. And then it will take you to a page where you can pay, and then you'll wait for an email that's going to have the final instructions on how to finish unlocking your phone. Now, this is the cost, but you always get a discount, so it's going to cost you this. And this is the average turnaround time for you to get that email. They always kind of inflate the time, but usually it's closer to the first number. And one thing I want to point out is you have a couple of options on the screen here. One is you have a toll-free number you can call or text 24 hours a day. You also have a message me icon right here. So they have support that you can connect to if you have any issues getting your phone unlocked, which is one of the reasons why I love this company is, you know, you've got the number you can call, and if anything happens and you're not able to unlock your phone, you can always get a full refund to the company. So very safe, very secure. Once you get that email that has those final instructions, you will need to pop out your SIM card. So in the box of your phone, you'll find your SIM tool. If you threw the box away, find a paper clip, bend it, and just be really careful. And on the left side of the phone, you'll have your little SIM slot. You'll just, in the hole, push and take the SIM tray out. And all you'll need to do is put in the SIM card of the new service you want to use with the phone. So if you wanted to use it with Cricket or with T-Mobile or with Verizon, blah, 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 you would just pop in that SIM card and restart the phone. And then you'll check your email, and then those final instructions, they'll tell you the last few things you need to do to get the phone unlocked. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.